So orange and white orange, green and white blue. There we go. Blue and white green, brown and white brown. This is pretty standard. Don't forget to put the boot on first. What I do, just squeeze them. I'll do the other end as well so you can see it properly. Right, so just bring the bin forward, Dean. Good pair of cutters. Make sure that the clip is down, or if you do the other way, make sure the other end's the same, but I always do my clips facing down. Okay, push it home. And if you, when you're pulling the cable, if you hold the sleeve where it is, you should be able to push the sleeve forward enough so it's a really good connection. And then, where are we? I should have got these ready. It's alright. Sorry about that. Right. So put him in. And what it should look like is the rubber boot should go pretty far in, and then orange and white orange, green and white blue, blue and white green, brown and white brown. Alright, so turn him over, side, and you should see the pins just clipping through the cable. Okay, so we'll do the other end now. Put the boot on. There we go. Okay, this is a good stripping tool, by the way. So leave plenty. There's usually a bit of string. Don't forget to slide the boot on first. And now, right, here we go. So this is why I leave the strands so long. So untwist them. Okay, so orange and white, orange. And this is how I do it. Orange and white, orange. Oh, come on. Orange and white, orange, okay. Green and white. And I try and make them so they really do fit nice and neat. Okay. And then blue. So I'll pull the blue underneath. There you go. Blue. Blue and white. Green. Like so. And then brown and white brown. Brown and white. Pull the sleeve. If I pull the sleeve back, and then brown and white brown. Okay. So double check, orange and white orange, green and white blue, blue and white green, brown and white brown. Is that focused? There we go. Orange and white orange, orange and white orange, green and white blue, blue and white green, brown and white brown. Okay, get some good snippers. Put them in. You notice I cut them quite short. So upside down with the clip, line them up, push it in, so the sleeve as far as it'll go, get the crimp, I always do a couple of times, crimp, and we just check it, you can see it, can you see that? Yeah, orange and white orange, green and white blue, blue and white green, brown and white brown, and then put the boot on. Okay, this is like an old school tester. I think I've had it years, actually 20 years. So one end in there, one in there, and what you should get is the way I look at it: 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3. You'll see. So power on. 1, 1, 2, 3, and then ground off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. And that's what you're looking for. Okay, thanks very much for watching.